Plain walls are out, and statement walls are in. If you've been dreaming of a living room that feels stylish, modern, and luxurious without breaking the bank, PVC wall panels are the answer. In 2025, they're dominating interior design trends with hundreds of creative styles to choose from. Today, we're covering 100 modern PVC wall panel designs that can instantly upgrade your living room and give it that wow factor. PVC wall panels are no longer just a budget-friendly choice. They're now a top design trend. Why? Because they're durable, lightweight, easy to install, and come in endless styles. From glossy finishes to marble textures, 3D patterns, and even panels with built-in lighting, PVC panels are transforming walls into art pieces. And the best part? They're far more affordable than stone, marble, or wood while still giving you the same luxurious look. Let's explore the most stylish ideas you'll be seeing everywhere in 2025. 1. 3D textured panels. Want a futuristic touch? 3D PVC panels create shadows, depth, and movement on your wall. Popular designs include waves, honeycombs, and geometric blocks, perfect for accent walls that stand out. 2. Wood look PVC panels. Natural wood brings warmth to a living room, but real wood can be expensive and high maintenance. PVC wood look panels in oak, walnut, or ash tones give you the same cozy effect at a fraction of the cost. 3. Marble finished PVC panels. Marble has always been a symbol of luxury, but it's heavy and costly. PVC marble panels replicate the elegance of stone while being lightweight and easy to install. White, black, and even golden veined marble finishes are trending in 2025. 4. Glossy and matte finishes. For modern interiors, the finish matters just as much as the design. Glossy PVC panels bounce light around, making smaller living rooms appear brighter and bigger. Matte finishes, on the other hand, feel soft, subtle, and chic, ideal for minimalist spaces. 5. LED integrated panels. One of the biggest innovations of 2025 is PVC panels with LED backlighting. These create a dramatic, glowing effect that highlights textures and sets the mood. Perfect for TV walls or entertainment areas. 6. Accent wall panels. You don't need to cover all 4 walls. Many designers are focusing on just one feature wall, behind the TV, sofa, or fireplace. This creates a strong focal point while keeping the rest of the room simple. 7. Mixed material combinations. PVC panels pair beautifully with other finishes like stone cladding, wallpaper, or mirrors. For example, a marble-look PVC wall with mirror strips instantly adds elegance and makes the room feel larger. 8. Geometric and pattern panels. Geometric patterns are trending in 2025. Hexagons, stripes, waves, even abstract art-inspired panels. They bring energy and movement into your living space. 9. Metallic accents. Gold, silver, and bronze-tone PVC panels are trending in luxury homes. They reflect light beautifully and give a modern glam finish that works well with chandeliers and bold decor. 10. Eco-friendly PVC panels. As sustainability becomes more important, eco-friendly PVC panels are gaining attention. They're durable, recyclable, and designed to last, making them a smart, future-proof choice. Styling tips for 2025 PVC panels. Choose lighter colors like beige, white, or pastels for small rooms to make them feel spacious. Use LED highlights to emphasize 3D designs or patterns. Combine PVC panels with ceiling designs for a seamless modern effect. Don't overdo it. Focus on 1 or 2 walls to keep the look balanced. With 100 unique PVC wall panel designs, the options in 2025 are endless. Whether you prefer marble elegance, wood warmth, or futuristic 3D textures, PVC panels let you turn ordinary walls into show-stopping centerpieces. Affordable, stylish, and versatile, PVC wall panels are truly the future of living room decor. So, which design trend are you excited to try in your home?